Alright, this is the Christmas gift this year from the boss man, from a boss at work. He's bought everyone this torch. He reckons, yeah, my boss says this torch is not cheap. He says it's quite expensive. I think he's talking at his ass, to tell you the truth. So I've never heard of this make before. I know my tools. I've never ever heard of this brand. But I'm grateful though that he got me a gift. Can't really complain, it's free. But I think he's talking at his ass saying that it wasn't cheap. It looks cheap to me, but let's see. I've never heard of this brand in my life. Christmas gift from the boss. There it is. Nah, this is definitely cheap. He's talking like his ass. It just feels cheap. So the battery pulls out. And that's the charger for air. I can't complain. He reckons, yeah, he didn't say exactly how much it cost, but he told everyone these torches are about £50, £50 to £60. I think he's definitely telling some porkies. This looks like a sort of thing you find down the market. £50, right? Yeah, right. So, my boss, yeah, he actually wasn't lying. This torch is actually £75, believe it or not. I can't believe it. He was actually telling the truth. £75. I would not pay £75 for this. Just the way it's made, it feels really cheap. And there are torches that are half the price of this. And actually better made. They're the better quality that I'd rather buy than this. And they're cheaper. Less than half the price. Another thing I don't like about this torch, as you can see, the base of it is round. So look, you can't even stand it up. Wibby wobble. Another thing about this torch, it's not even, the battery is not even lithium. No, it's not even a lithium battery. Those batteries are old technology now. I just can't understand it, why the boss would buy everyone this torch. You could have got cheaper one, half the price, better quality as well. But the one good thing about this torch is the magnet. It's got a magnet there. That magnet is quite strong. It's quite a strong magnet. Out of all the torches I've had, this torch has probably got the strongest magnet. See here, you hear the clunk. You hear the power behind the magnet. That magnet is quite strong. That's one good thing about the torch. But yeah, that is not worth £75. No way. No way. But as I said, it's free. I can't complain. I just can't work out why he chose this torch. Anyway, that's it for this review of the torch. That's it. I don't think anyone would buy this torch anyway for the price. So there's no point me telling people not to buy it. I reckon this is probably old stock they had sitting around wherever they bought it from. I reckon they bought this from Buck and Hitman. That's what I reckon, because most of the tools, that's where they come from, Buck and Hitman. And that's a site that I saw it on for £75.